Johnson Tools Manufactory Company Limited was established in 2006, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of laser-welded diamond saw blade, diamond segments, diamond grinding wheels, diamond core bits. Our products can be widely used in stone construction industry. Project focus on mine, decoration, road repairing, demolition, pre-stressed hollow slab concrete factory, airport project, etc. We are located in Nanjing with convenient transportation access. Our company covers an area of 3,000 square meters. In recent years, we introduced a series of advanced production equipment. Strict quality control is performed in every procedure, from material sourcing, processing, and testing to packing. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our products are also exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia, etc., and gain wide praises. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our salesperson about your sourcing requirements. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. With your support and our effort, we deeply believe that the tomorrow of Johnson will be much better.